Karthik Aryan reveals the first look of character from Dhamaka. Karthik Aryan left his fans asking for more after announcing his next film Dhamaka on his birthday. Now the actor has taken to his social media handles to introduce fans to his character Arjun Pathak in the film. Dressed in what looks like a blood-stained suit, Karthik is seen sporting long hair and a spectacular look in the picture. Priyanka Chopra shares a stunning new picture from London. Priyanka posted a photo showing what shooting a movie looks like in the year 2020 with wearing a face shield. The actress captioned the post saying what shooting a movie looks like in the year 2020. Taapsee Pannu's transformation is mind-blowing. The actress went through an intense workout training to essay the role of an athlete for an upcoming sports drama film, Rashmi Rocket. While she has shared several pictures and videos of her breathtaking transformation on social media, the actress shared another picture where she's seen acing leg press with 640 lbs as a part of her training. Payal Ghosh, upcoming and coming Bollywood actress, said that it has been 4 months since she alleged sexual harassment against filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, but Mumbai police yet to do. The actress wrote, "It's been 4 months and no action has been taken against Anurag Kashyap in spite of me providing evidence." Akshay Kumar as Shah Jahan in his new movie is doing the rounds of social media. In a new still from Atrangi Re shared by Sara Ali Khan, Akshay can be seen in front of Taj Mahal dressed up as Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The actor shared a boomerang from the film's shoot in Agra. Sonu Sood is the current hero of the nation. The local people of Dubba Tanda village, with the help of the Siddipet district authorities in Telangana, have constructed a temple in his honor, which was inaugurated on Sunday in the presence of the sculptor and local people. An aarti was performed while women dressed in traditional attires and sang folk songs. Almost a month after posting bail, comedian Bharti Singh was seen arriving at the NCB office in Mumbai earlier today with her husband Harsh Limbacha. Bharti and Harsh were arrested by Narcotics Control Bureau in connection with a drug case. Former actress and Bigg Boss contestant Sana Khan took to her Instagram stories on Sunday and shared a glimpse of a brand new phone that her husband Maulana Anas Syed gifted her on their 1-month wedding anniversary. Actor-politician Sonali Fogart will be the latest celebrity to enter Bigg Boss house. As a participant of the controversial show, she promises a lot of entertainment and positivity. Ritesh Deshmukh, Genelia D'Souza with kids Rian and Rahil Deshmukh, Tushar Kapoor with his son Lakshya and Ekta Kapoor were clicked celebrating Christmas together in Mumbai. Lastly, Karanveer Bohra and wife TJ Sidhu welcomed their third child. After twin daughters, the couple welcomed their third baby girl. Stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.